Good morning everyone. Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the one of the stock here, which is guys very extremely bullish, if you ask me. And this stock is from it's a Chinese stock. The name is Gotu Education. Yeah, it is deal with education, and we are looking right now. Why is bullish? That's a simple thing. Right now I'm using the monthly, the long term, guys. So I'm using the long term. You see here, you see this volume, and you see on other side this one, guys. This is the easiest 10x. Yes, this is easiest 10x, and we have a bullish candle which for last month, in fact for January, and then this February we break out. Okay, and I share a video. Let me play that video, but before I play that video, I will close with that video. We are watching this stock to hit $24. Remember, for the first time since early 2024 or latest 2023, the stock the last 3 quarters they miss earnings, but this one, yeah, they beat earnings and revenue, and that's why the stock is very bullish. And let's one just highlighting on weekly is just get started. So my target is $24 to $50 on this stock. Yeah, 50. Yeah, so you see this thing is very insane, and let me play the video that I talked last week. Yeah guys, this I update this video on last 3 weeks, and you are going to see the price when the stock was under 2.3, and right now we are talking around 3.7. Let's hear, and you will see what I was talking about. Okay, good morning guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today guys, we are going to see I found a stock here. This is a Gotu, so Gotu stock. So right now it's trading around $2.29 as I'm recording right now, and this stock, guys, is look like it's forming breakout, which is our good show, and this one can happen anytime. Yeah, this one can happen anytime soon. Right now this is the monthly, so this is the from here we have this a downtrend line, and it looks like it's going to break out. So if you miss pack days when it was less than $1, it went to almost $10 here, and right now it's around $2, and it came to test these levels. Before I show you what the chat is telling me right now, so after I was doing all my research today, remember this week we have like 2 weeks here, a false breakout, which guys, you want to make a double top there, and then we took successful downtrend over here, and maybe this is when this stock, or this stock may be breaking out. So some various months of earnings, 3 consecutive months they were missing earnings, and this is the earnings which will come very next on March, so in next 1 month from right now, and that when earnings won't happen, you will find out that when stock is already breaking out. So why we have some bullishness on weekly here? Remember guys, we are consolidated almost a year from when it hit that a serious double top here. Remember, obvious double top is always going to be in a downtrend, and now because we have already done with downtrend, we have some on RSI, and the MACD is already signal is buy. So I think this is the right time you can buy for long term. So like right now, you can start doing this year, and we are going to see what will be our next resistance and support. So on here you see MACD on daily is signaling pi some few days, and on RSI is 53, which is telling you is extremely bullish. And the area that we are watching right now, so this is our double top, double bottom, tested this, and once guys it break out, you will see huge return. So we want to see our next resistance and support. So that's what we are doing here. So because you have already signaling pi, so now we want to see what will be our next resistance and support. So remember this, it was highest point we reached, and we took the bottom, which is it was a previous 0.5. You can do on a different time. So anytime guys hit at these levels, is that is a buying zone between $2 241. So here is the 241 is our next resistance. Once we break here, we are going all the way to 3.59, and then 4.5, 5.4. So that's the level that we are watching. So, and that is very easy for this one to break that those levels. And sometimes people can do like this one. Let me do it. So people always they assume that this is our highest 8.51, and they say because this area is we call this one like our support. So like, and they can tell you, yeah, like this one and this one will bring a different. So if this will be a true support or the pounds, and the breakout will happen between this week. So we are watching here around our next resistance will be 343. Remember, it's going the same levels that I told you, like, yeah. So because it was buying zone here, so this is called between 2 point okay, from 1.85 to 340 is buying zone. But for me, today is the best day to buy, even though it's a green right now, but probably this thing is going to skyrocket whenever we break out. So either way to break out, or you buy UDC right now, because obvious this thing is going to be breaking. See this another stock here. So guys, when I was doing that video, you see this thing is already up there, and you should now consider to load the Gotu, because for me I see $30 guys. I see $30 coming very soon. Yeah, I see $30 because of this one. This is a long term guys. This thing in next 12 months we are talking around $30 to $60. Okay, yeah. For example, even like let's bring any stock which is let me come with a stock. I will bring something like Palantir. In fact, Palantir is the one. It was consolidating 2023. You see like here, when Palantir, we saw this volume came from here, this area, which is pushed all the way, let's say from between $5 or $7 to 10. We know that is Palantir is going to hit over $100, and actually hit $100. But because for this candle we see right now over here, this is a bearish candle, and in future we are going to buy Palantir around this price, okay, around $40. So if you wish to buy Palantir, but the stock which you are buying right now is Gotu, and also the stock that we are buying right now is Tesla. Yeah, so your Tesla, we consider to buy Tesla, but the candle which is here right now, yeah, the candle which you see on Tesla here right now, man, oh shit. I don't like this candle for Tesla here. You see this hanging man over here? No, man. Okay, I have some call on Tesla, that's why I just surprised. What hanging man doing over here? Nvidia, yeah, I think Nvidia is already almost done. Uh, uh, this one it may be one of the parent candlestick which we are already forming right now. Amazon, the same thing. Amazon is somehow strong. It may come to retrace around 180, but Tesla, I have to sell my call for that very ugly candle. So guys, thank you so much, and I think I've because whenever I do video about that stock, I have to talk about total education also, which is we see after we saw some of these candles over here, it pushed all the way from $6, and the same thing is working for Gotu. It pushed all the way at the end of the month. It pushed to 12, retraced it to 9, went to 15, which is something like all-time high. Yeah, something like all-time high since 2022, and it's open for 24, and the highest is going to be $60. But me, always personally, I like the Gotu. Yeah, I like the Gotu. I don't know. And also, why also this one, it has an ugly candle, which is, it might be send the stock back to $10 for another upside. Yeah, it look like that one. Yeah, exactly. You see on daily, this thing is not, it might not going to hold this one, and it's going to head, shoulder, and the neck. Okay, let's draw that one. That's insane for this one, guys. I didn't expect that it's forming another bearish candle, and we need to see if head and shoulder on tall education is forming. For personally, I will go with Gotu. I think Gotu this round is going to pit. It's going to it's going to pit tall education in terms of price. Okay, tall education is around 18, around between $12 right now. So if this is a true formation, okay. So we have this one which is we call a left shoulder, and we call this one which is an ugly neck, and we form our head somewhere here between those price. We hit this one, I don't know now because we are using daily, and we call this closer one here. We assume, guys, we don't have any confirmation. It may be that a fake out, and this is our, and then we'll come back around at $10. Okay, it's not that huge dip, it's just a small dip. Okay, yeah, because of this one. Okay, yeah, because reason of that, we might go to test this support over on tall education. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. But let's see on Gotu. This video is for Gotu, guys. It's not for tall education. Even I don't own any tall education. Yeah, this one is wow. Even though this RSI is just like here, this thing is going to push high and high, and the reason weekly is really supporting the hypothesis, and I should not worry about this one. Break 72. Maybe after hitting $6, we can see another retracement. If we hit $20, for example, go all the way to breaking here 7, go here, and coming back to test the support and the continuation. Okay, remember this is a long-term stock, which is going to be beneficiary. uh, Papa, man, I don't know what's wrong with Papa. Papa weekly is very bullish over here, and when you come Papa here, it has it's from $80 to 145. I think you should have this one. We don't have any buy signal, but you see this one buying signal is loading up, and it's going to form something like this one, and 105 is very high level, but we don't have any hypothesis to support that we can come to 105. I forget to do about JD.com. It has earnings, and it looks like it's going to pop out. It looks like it's going to break out. And remember, this cap always see over here between 35 to 42. That is buying zone. It's going to let me see if I can look money. Earnings is going to come on March Wednesday on March. I can buy a regular stock because JD always with with Papa is always rocketing, and JD is always showing more strength than Papa. Pindu, let's see about the Pindu stock. Pindu here on Pindu is another thing that, man, Pindu is always strong, and it's just it beat earnings, and it consolidate around this area. 77 is support. Yes, Pindu. We have a lot of other stuff. Guys, thanks so much and have a nice day.